How to recall and replace an email in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. On the left side, click on Sent Items, which will lead you to all the emails you've sent. Now double click on the mail you want to recall, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots in here, click on Advanced Actions. After you click on Advanced Actions, you'll find Resend Message. There you'll find a recall option. Or you can simply click on Resend. It works the same. So you can click on Resend Message and then edit it as you want and press on Send and it will be sent. This is how to recall and replace an email on Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.